Okay, here we are, Michigan, May 26th. It's like 90 degrees outside. And we got a low 410 system. So what we're going to do, it's an older carrier. What we're going to do is we're going to see if we can hit. We're going to go down and see if we can get a hit on the coil at 73 PSI. So let me take you down there, and I gotta grab box filters and my probe and some other tools, and we'll go down there and see what's up. Oh, let's see if we can hit it at 73 PSI. That was me. Let's see what happens. We'll get... Oh. Oh, listen to that. 73 PSI. I need more back here. That's where it is. 73 PSI. Well, what we'll do is we will quote the customer a new coil, but they just put a new Infinity in, and they got an older air conditioner, so I'm going to quote them an Air too. Infinity Air. And I don't know, probably when we put this in, where the customer was in a rush. He's got like an old zone panel, and we're probably going to upgrade them to Infinity. Let's see, supply. Make sure I don't have a bypass anywhere. Do I have a bypass? Does not look like it. Nope, no bypass. But yeah, this is a higher end house out at the lake. They got a snow melt system. It's also the boiler does hot water too. They got let's see, they got what do they got here? It's the first time I've been in this house, so yeah, they got snow melt driveway. Right there, heated floors in the garage. Well, let's go out and fill this one up. Okay, I had my phone sitting out in the sun and shut down, so I had to cool the darn thing down. Throw a little refrigerant in it to get it going, but yeah, it's low. I need 16 degrees of subcooling. It's really low. It's tight in here. Gotta let it run for 15 minutes or so. See if I can bring that subcooling up. Right now my superheat's way high. Get another shot here. Just got my Testo smart probes on it. Got a hose and a valve core remover. It's so sunny out here you can't see. It's just a short hose with a valve. Well, let me let this thing run for 10 minutes. We'll go from there. Okay, let's see what we got. had to write an estimate out, so it took me like 20 minutes. So things should be equalized by now. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Let's see. Superheat is good. It's getting there. But subcooling, we got to get up. Oh, jeez. Got to be at 16-degree subcooling. Right now we're at 5. A little far off, but I'll get it up to 13 or 14. And then when that TXV starts closing, I'll be right on the dot. Jeez, the sun is horrible out here. And it's hot, baby. Oh, she's really, really low. Open it up again. Doesn't feel like I'm flowing much refrigerant. Oh, let's see. She's running high. I think I'm going to call it right there. So we're probably going to come back and replace a coil. And or the unit itself. It's from, I think, 2005, 2006. 2006. So, yeah, our subcooling's coming up. So he either wants to replace the coil or replace the whole system, and he's got an infinity furnace. So I told him you might as well go VNA to get the performance out of the system. It's just older, 2006. But that's it for this call. Just a leak evaporator. And I will see you on the next one.